Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angela here, what it do? And y'all, I have a quick little unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay. Alright, sister girls, I know, long time no see, right? Life is no life in your girl. School, I just started back my last semester of school. I have been doing a little bit of shopping. Y'all haven't bought a bag since whatever the last bag I told y'all about, my Speedy 25, I think. Girl, still haven't worn that bag. Still haven't worn it. I did order a whole bunch of organizers from Vuitton. I'm waiting on them to come. Even the one for this one. But anywho, y'all, let me show you guys what I got. My receipt. Let me find my receipt so y'all don't think that this is fake. Because baby girl, it is not. Alright, good sis. Y'all remember I bought this for my birthday last year? I just wore this for the first time when I went to buy this. So almost a year later, like, ooh, 10 months later. I love this, y'all. What was I waiting on? I love this, y'all. But anyway, here's my receipt for when I went and bought this. Alright, y'all. So, like real quick. Alright. So here we go. Y'all have no idea what this is. Y'all would never, ever guess what this is. Let me just sit down. So I've been looking on the website. Nothing really spoke to me. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, it was so cute. When I ordered this, y'all, I had to go in store and order it. When I ordered it, it was only 2 left in the US of A, well, in the whole Louis Vuitton system. When I checked last night, it was placed in cart, okay? So what I ordered is, y'all will never guess what this is. I got a Keepall 25 in the khaki. Y'all look at that. Y'all, like I said, I got an organizer coming. Look at that, y'all. Is that not sickening? Y'all. Oh my goodness. This is sickening, y'all. Look. Oh my goodness. I wish it had feet on the bottom. But y'all, look at this. It has gold hardware. Look at the zipper pull. I love the size of this zipper pull. And y'all know these are on the men's side. It's a really big luggage tag. Girl, how'd this go? Oh, like that. I might take this off. I don't know. I may. But y'all, this is so cute. And also, when I went in, let me show you the inside first. This is how it looks on the inside. This one is made in France. It does come with a strap, the guitar strap, in the khaki color. Y'all, when I went in store, they had the gunmetal one. Oh my God, it was beautiful. One of the other sales associates, he's like, oh no, you're not buying my bag, the gunmetal one. And I was like, nah, baby, that's all you. But that one was $3,700. This one was $28 something. So yeah, the gold hardware on here. Y'all, this bag is sick. Y'all, I love it. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I did order some organizers from Vuitton. I'm waiting on those to come in. Like, y'all, look at this. This bag is sick. The only thing I say is missing would be feet on the bottom. That would have made it like 10 times better. But I don't sit my bags on the floor anyway. But y'all, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so, girl, it's beautiful. I've been looking at the Keepalls, And this is the bandolier because it has the strap on the side and a piece of leather. But I have been looking at a Keepall for a long time. I was just waiting on one to speak to my heart. I didn't want the black one, even though that black one is sick as well. But this one, it spoke to me. Green is one of my favorite colors. So how could I not? Yeah, so one more time. Oh, let me show y'all the product code. If you are interested, you'll see. There you go. All right. So one more time. Y'all, everything. We love. We love. Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to pop in real quick, show you all what I got, and I'll see y'all real soon with another unboxing. Love y'all.